Okay, my next tip is about the Google Translator plugin. You see, I made a mistake, but I have already corrected it, so it's the same. Ich werde sie anzeigen. I will report her to the police. Ja, zawiaju, nyaiju, w policiju. Okay, but if you want to make sure you really know the meaning of the sentence that is written here, so for example, your mother tongue is English and you're learning German with Russian. Okay, so you press here. And you push translate, and here's the translate plugin. It appears, so you don't have to go down, put everything down to the desktop, find the translate plugin, press and start it. You save a lot of clicks with this, and you will have more energy, and your mind will be fresher for another exercise. You're gonna translate from Russian. So I'm telling her to the police, well, it's not pretty correct. I report her to the police, okay? If you see a sentence like this, you can tell the meaning, okay? We click back, and this is the example where Google Translate is not as correct as Duolingo, but I wanted to show you that you can check the meaning. So this was the Google Translate tip from me, how to be more effective with learning languages on Duolingo.